Well, good morning, everybody, Internet and the world and beyond. You know, there could be aliens out there. Just an update. I was able to get the FX box. I made a small tab or adapted that tab so it looks a lot better. Still don't know why that's over that way. It's just how it is. This bar here, because it doesn't have support, because this is a totally different transmission. So it's the best thing I could come up with. Comes on around, gives a little support, stays nice and straight. So got that back in. Went ahead and put the studs in there. Now, I might have said that earlier. Got my pogo seat. Had to put some different springs in there, kind of to hold my weight. So it's come along. I'm going to be working on the brake pedal now. Going to weld a tab on the other side. So, and then I have to drill a hole in there and put that bolt in so it has a stop. I kind of gave up on the turn signals because with these turn signal, with the way they're wired internally, I just bought a Badlands, I think number 3, which is a self-canceller. Other than that, just been puttering around. The other day I did fire it up and final tune the carburetor. Did put my new oil bag on. That's that old rusty one. Cleaned it out inside, then I flushed it. Used vinegar, nuts and bolts, and then flushed it again with some gas. I'm waiting on Oetiker connectors. I've got a couple, and where they went, but waiting on it. Rather than the screw clamps, use the Oetiker connectors. I put one on the other side. I think I've got some over here. Of course, I got all the wrong side. I need 15.7 millimeter, and I've got like, what the heck was that? 17.5, way too big. And I got some other size, even bigger. So I ran out of the little ones. So those are on order, so I really can't do anything with the oil tank yet. Or to finally hook it up. Fixed the wiring, made it kind of nicer, made it a little more protective of the exhaust, protected from the exhaust. Let's see, like I say, yeah, I've been going through the wiring and figured out which was where and why, and got all that done, so far so good. Did prime out the front fender and rear fender. Randy's working on that, a couple of small spots. The tanks, might just leave them as is for now. I'm not sure I like the color that I'm going to pick out. It's called a violet burgundy, or yeah, no, it came. There was a color in '62 and a color in the '70s. So, well, that's just a quick video how it's going. Looks like it's getting a little warmer out. Hope spring's on the way. Catch you guys later. Peace, man.